As you can see, we do have 4 small windows in here. Now that small window is going to be coming out. I'm actually going to put in a big large window. I just have to frame it out, and then I have a friend that's going to come over and help me seal those up that does that for a living. I'm also going to put a large window in here towards the front because with us air conditioning this and having the door shut, I want to be able to see if anybody's coming up the driveway, I'm getting any packages or delivery. I had to get this on camera just to show how much they're enjoying just being out here. Y'all like it here? Gotta slow this down for a second and show y'all. I had to put Jug inside. These tools stay by me, but the new rescue, he likes to wander off and I'm worried about him running off, so he'll get used to us. Figured out how to pull this window out. Of course, I have no idea what I'm doing. I'm not a construction guy by any means. I'm figuring it out as I go, but 1, 2, 1, 2. They had 4 nails holding that window in. Hey, makes my life easier. Say hi, Emily.
Hi.
Okay, some of y'all may be noticing I'm doing this completely backwards from the way you should do it. I am having to fight around nothing being square, and I don't have the windows here, which would be really helpful if I did. So I just built me a box the size that I need for the window. I'm gonna put it up there, make sure it's square, plumb, and level, and then I'll build all my framing to support it around it. It's kind of backwards from the way you should do it, but again, like if I take a measurement from that stud to this stud, down towards the bottom, it's 46 inch. At the top, it's 46.5 inch. Not even at the top. As far up as I can reach, it's 46.5 inch. So the very top is probably 46 3/4. So I'm going to put my frame in there, get it square, get everything snug and tight, and I'll put my header up. We're gonna go with a smaller header. I don't think it's gonna be that big of a deal. It had a 2x12 header, but I'm just gonna do a 2x6 header because we want the window at a certain height. It's a really tall window and we don't want it close to the ground. So we wanna get it up high, but I still think with all the framing and everything that's here, I think a 2x6 header above this window is gonna be just fine. Oh. So, let's get you over here in the light. What were you smiling about? What?
Excited about lasers.
Oh.
The laser! Get the laser!
I'm trying to get underneath the spotlight here. You see it? Got too much of a glare on it. So Dovo is going to be sponsoring one of my videos. Of course not this one, or I would announce it at the beginning. But just to give you all a heads up, they sent me an extra one of these so I can do a giveaway. It's weird with this light. It's like mega bright. Okay, so I'm gonna make the giveaway really simple and easy. I'm not gonna do any of those you have to make a purchase to enter to win kind of things. All you have to do is either go to Dean Furniture Artist Instagram or Facebook page, like and follow, and I will be going through in the next couple of months and picking out a random winner. For this, it's like a $360 laser. I'm gonna give you all more details in some further videos. I'm just about to use it, so I figured I'd go ahead and give you the heads up so you can get started on that. No purchase needed. Pretty cool, huh? Check out the cool case. Ooh, ooh, check that out. That's cool. kind of foam do you like to use?
I'm OSI usually on everything pretty much. They've got a superior product to everybody else. I have one in there that's a non-rigid that I think I brought one with me. In case this material was fragile.
Uh-huh.
It's a non-rigid, so when it expands, it doesn't expand in an extreme fashion and damage anything.
Okay. Now, is the foam you're using now, is that an expandable foam?
This is expandable foam, yes. This is a more rigid foam, yeah.
Okay.
Because I'm going up against two 2x4s,
Yeah.
so it's not going to cause any issues.
Okay.
And it gives a good, nice, tight seal. Makes it good and waterproof.